G'day, a large piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge in the opal shop. I'll zoom in and show you close up. Okay, you can see the rule there, quite a large piece. It's got colour bar through here. You can see the colour coming through, back through here. It looks like there might be black potch there in it. Colour still down here on the left hand side at the bottom. This could make a nice great big pendant, and just follow the colour bars and cut it down into a free form sculptured piece for your a necklace, or just keep it for a great specimen. Anyway, there you go. Hope you've enjoyed it. Lots of bright colour.